Hey wonderful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is sandralusati and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial as to how I got this look, this cornrow faux puff look. So if you want to know how to do this style, do stay tuned. Comment down below and tell me what you think of this style and if the tutorial has been helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to join the family and help the channel out to grow. So yeah, let's get right into the video. To moisturize my hair, I'll be using this hair food, some gel, Brazilian wool, and a faux afro puff. To start off the style, I'm going to do about 3 sections at the back, and then I'm going to take my Brazilian wool and wrap it around the hair until I reach the ends. Then I will secure it. As you can see, I sectioned my hair in the middle and then parted it on my left and my right for my edges, and then what I'm going to do is moisturize each section as I cornrow. Some Brazilian wool, take a small section in the front, and then place your Brazilian wool on both sides. Make sure that small section is placed in the middle. So then you're going to do like a basic braid, just twice. So what I'm doing is I take my index finger, take it through the middle here to the other side and grab some hair. So it's your index through the middle, grab some hair. Index in the middle, grab some hair. Index under the middle and grab some hair. So this is what I'm basically gonna do throughout. You can watch this continuously if you want to know how to cornrow your hair, and as you know, practice makes perfect. Place the Brazilian wool in front of the small section of hair and then braid it twice like a normal box braid. And then take your index finger, place it under the middle part to the other side and grab some hair. So it's your index under the middle part, grab some hair. Index under the middle, grab some hair. Index under the middle, grab some hair. So this is going to actually take you some time to get used to. It's not that hard, don't give up. And yeah, in no time you will know how to cornrow your own hair. Tie your hair into a ponytail using the wool, as this helps you clip on the faux afro puff. Sew in the afro puff using cotton wool or yarn, as this will keep it secure and in place. you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like this video, comment down below and tell me what you think of this style, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video.